Honey, I'm home.
Come on in.
Welcome to the madhouse, Batman! I set a trap, and you sprang it gloriously! Now let's get this party started.
Wait up.
Joker!
Ladies and maniacs, I apologize for this interruption to your regular entertainment. Up until a few seconds ago, I was going to kill everyone in the room and then the funny cartoons. But then, well...
I evo, vratio sam se.
Do love a captive audience.
Don't let him hit you, you idiot!
I'm just warming you up, Bats!
Joker!
Fresh from Blackgate Correctional Facility, with a combined sentence of 752 years. Ding, 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 it's round 2!
Yay.
Sorry, Bats! Gotta run! I got places to go, people to slay.
And all you have is bats!
Ali sad imam 10 super.
The system's jammed. We're stuck in here. Joker's in full control of the security gates.
I'll find a way out. Gordon, try and contact the warden. Let him know what's happened. I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Don't make promises you can't keep, Bats.
Ovdje bi se bila slika da vam nisam
I'm in control of the asylum. You're not going anywhere I don't want you to. Understand?
If you think I'll let you run...
Always with the heroes! Looking forward to you. Why don't you just come find me? You know it's a trap.
Of course it is.
Character bio unlocked. Real name James otko znam Gordon. Police Commissioner Gotham City Blue. White formerly brown. Shape speed 180 lbs. Imamo ovdje stale Bruce Wayne, dalje.
Joker's been busy. These poor guards never stood a chance.
All patients should take their medication of the prescribed times each and every day. Prescribed doses must be taken at 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m. and...
Warning. Security breach in level B3. Warning. Security breach in level B2. Warning. Security breach in level B8. Warning. Security breach in level B1. Warning. Security breach in level B6. Warning. Security Security breach in level B4.
What happened?
Where are they?
Back down there. Do you need help?
No. I work better alone.
This is Bree! Oh god, he's got Mike!
Franklin, can you hear me? If you can, help's on the way.
Warning. Security breach in level B1.
Oracle, can you hear me?
Ona nam pomaže nešto.
Loud and clear. What? Do you need anything?
Commission.
Put the trigger down, Zaz!
O, i ovo
Thank
je
God.
prezirano sve. I ovo
I see anything that looks even a little bit like a bat, and this guard dies. Do you hear me?
Yes!
Stop! He's done nothing to you! Let him go!
These old gargoyles should be able to support my weight if I grapple up to them.
Ajde, penji se, bre.
Zaz is down, but not for long. Got to get close and take him out.
Someone put this animal back in his cell.
Can you hear me? Is this thing on? Oh, hiya, B-Man. Harley Quinn here. How do you like my new uniform?
Batman, you picking this up?
Oracle, I'm here.
Arkham is...
He's in...
That's not... It's... How do you know?
Okay.
The room's locked down. Can't open the gate. We're trapped in here.
Try the radio. Control should be able to shut down the gate.
Harley thinks she has me trapped in this chamber. She never was very bright.
Way out. He just ripped the bin off the wall.
Batman, I'm patching you into the guard radio feed.
Steve, more Blackgate prisoners! By the boiler! Who's that behind them?
Oh my
God, it's Joker. He's free! How'd he break out?
Treba sam ga ovo mali smisla.
Sorry, feed's down. Comms are up and down like crazy. It's not good. I'll keep trying. Warning. Decontamination room. Toxins detected.
Trapped in there.
Warning. Decontamination room. Area sealed.
What is that stuff?
Joker toxin. Listen, the room is full of poison gas. Anyone caught in there is dead.
Are you gonna get in there and help them, Batman?
Vidimo se kasnije.
I can still see people alive in the room.
Attempt. Joker's been planning this.
Help me!
You're gonna be fine. Stay here.
Batman's here! Just hold on a little longer, Steve.
I can't! I'm gonna fall!
Nećeš.
I'm going after the animal who did this.
Batman! The extraction system! Steve was trying to get to the control panel at the end of the room! I can't believe he left me here! That's
Attention. Air purity is now at normal levels.
What are you waiting for? You're so close, you can almost taste it.